Hi, I'm Alina here at FTD Customs, and today we're going to talk about our MT09 Swingarm Extensions. So for our 2014 to 2020 version, we are going to be getting a brake plate and your retainer cap just as normal. You will be having this slider go right here, and this will be your tag bracket to help you mount it on. That's what kind of makes this set different from the other one. And so for our 2021 to 2024 version, instead of getting a brake plate, you will be getting this bolt and washer to help you bolt it on, as well as these simple retainer caps. So we do offer two finishes for our extensions. This one is going to be our black engraved, which just means it has the engraved MT09 on it. The other one is going to be our raw option, which will look a little like this, and you can also get that in engraved and plain as well. So what we got here is the accessories that you can opt in for with our Swingarm Extensions. Here is our standard chain. It's going to be a firepower. These are 150 links, so you're going to have to cut the length no matter what length you're going to stretch it to, whether it's 12 inches or the shortest at 4.5. So our standard chain is usually around 9,800 pounds tensile strength. So we send them with our boosas and everything else with no problem. Our EK chain is going to be more race oriented. If you're going to drag race all the time, that's what I recommend. I think it's about 11,300 pounds of tensile strength versus the 9,800. Again, 150 links in 520, 525, and 530. As far as our brake lines, they're just pretty standard. So if you're rocking an ABS bike, you have two choices. You'll have the black and stainless ABS lines, and they will both be 60 inches, so they are quite a bit longer. And that's because you're gonna go from the rear caliper all the way up and bypass everything else into your ABS module, whether that be under your seat or under the tank, depending on what model you have. As far as our non-ABS bikes, you have all these color choices here. We've got everything except purple, and it'll have two banjo fittings on either side. I do want to talk a little bit today about our lifetime warranty. Everything that we do manufacture here in Tennessee will be backed by our lifetime warranty. We do believe in the quality of our products as they are made in the USA, and we try to give you the best quality possible, and that's just why we want to back you up with that. If you do have any questions, feel free to contact us. If you do have any questions, we are always happy to help you. And that'll be it for our MT09 Swingarm Extensions.